Welcome to this lesson on reflection of light. We'll explore the different types of reflection, the laws that govern them, and the formation and properties of images in mirrors. Reflection of light happens when a ray of light strikes a surface and bounces back into the same medium. The behavior of this reflection depends on the type of surface the light hits. There are two major types of reflection. Number 1 is regular reflection. Number 2 is diffused reflection. Regular reflection occurs on smooth or polished surfaces like mirrors. Here, the reflected rays remain parallel, and they all travel in one direction. Diffused reflection happens on rough surfaces. In this case, the light rays scatter in different directions after hitting the surface. Let's explore the laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. Number 1. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Number 2. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Next, we will explore the characteristics of images formed by a plane mirror. The first characteristic is that plane mirror images are virtual. This means they cannot be captured on a screen, as the rays only appear to meet. The second property is symmetry. The image is formed the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front. The third point is that the image is the same size as the object. A plane mirror neither enlarges nor reduces the image. The fourth feature is that the image is upright. It maintains the same vertical orientation as the object. Lastly, plane mirror images are laterally inverted. This means the left and right sides are swapped in the image. To remember the image properties in a plane mirror, use the mnemonic. Very smart students use logic. Very for virtual. Smart, same distance. Students, same size. Use, upright. And logic, laterally inverted. It's a quick way to recall all 5 key features. One more time, the mnemonic is: very smart students use logic. When two plane mirrors are placed at an angle to each other, they produce more than one image of an object. The number of images formed depends on the angle between the mirrors. The formula is n equals 360 divided by theta minus 1. For example, let us find the number of images formed by two mirrors inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. If theta is 60 degrees, number of images equals 360 divided by 60 minus 1. That gives 6 minus 1 equals 5 images. Plane mirrors are useful in everyday life. Let's look at some applications. A periscope uses two mirrors placed at 45 degrees to allow a person to see over walls or obstacles. Periscopes are used in submarines to view water surfaces. A kaleidoscope uses two inclined mirrors and colored paper to form symmetrical, circular patterns. Shaking the tube creates new designs. A sextant is used to measure the angular distance between two objects. It relies on a fixed and a movable mirror to combine images of both objects. Plane mirrors are also used as dressing mirrors and supermarket mirrors. Supermarket mirrors are wide, curved mirrors placed at corners and ceilings for surveillance. They help shop owners observe multiple aisles and prevent theft. While dressing mirrors are large, flat mirrors used at home, salons, or fashion stores. They reflect a clear, full-length image, helping individuals see their clothing and appearance. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause to study and answer them. If you found this lesson on reflection of light waves helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with your classmates who might find it useful too. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.